Are you struggling with stiff hips, thighs and groin, muscle aches and varicose vein? Do you want to increase your focus and concentration, activate your third eye, the ajna chakra? Then this video is for you. In this video, I will explain you each and every detail about Swastikasana, how to do Swastikasana correctly, its modifications, its amazing benefits, precautions and contraindications for Swastikasana. So watch the video till end. Namaste, Sat Shri Akal. I am Sukhasana and you are watching Yogachaitanya, a channel where you will find content for improving your physical, mental, emotional and spiritual well-being. So if you are new on this channel, make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss any of the health related tips and updates. What is Swastikasana? Swastikasana is a seated yoga posture that resembles the shape of swastika. I hope you have seen this sign. The Sanskrit word Swastikasana is a combination of 4 words. Su means good, Asti means to be or existence, and Ka means to make. And Asana means pose or posture. The English name for this asana is Auspicious pose. Swastikasana is a seated posture that is mostly used for meditation or pranayama practice. Swastikasana requires deep flexion of knees and extension of ankles along with internal rotation of hips. It is more challenging seated meditation posture than Sukhasana, the easy pose. But the regular practice of Swastikasana will prepare you for advanced meditation postures like Siddhasana or Padmasana, that is lotus pose. If you want to know each and every detail about Siddhasana in detail, then watch this video. The link is available in the I button and the description tab. Must watch it. How to do Swastikasana or how to practice Swastikasana. To practice Swastikasana, sit in a seated straight leg position with a straight spine. Now bend the left leg by bending the left knee and place the sole of the left foot towards the inner side of the right thigh like this. But make sure the left heel should not touch the perineum. Okay? Now exactly in the same way, bend the right leg and place the sole of the right foot in between the left thigh and the left calf like this. And make sure the right heel should not touch the perineum. Now raise your right knee slightly up and pass the left hand in between this space and grab your left big toe and move it up so that the foot gets interlocked between the right thigh and the right calf. Adjust yourself. Lengthen your spine, roll your shoulders back and down. Place the back of the hands on the knees, join the index finger with the thumb, creating a Jnana Mudra. Close your eyes and meditate in Swastikasana for 10 to 15 minutes. Modification for Swastikasana. Modification 1 with a folded blanket. In this modification, you can use a folded blanket and you have to place this folded blanket under the hips so that both the sitting bones can come on the top of this. This will help you sit in Swastikasana for a long time. At the same time, it provides a lengthening action to the spine and the Swastikasana becomes more comfortable. So let's try it. Now place the folded blanket like this on the mat and come and sit on the top of the blanket so that sitting bones come exactly in between over here like this. Now come in a seated straight leg position as we did earlier. Now bend the left leg and place the left sole on the inner side of the right thigh like this. Heel away from the perineum. Now similarly bend the right leg and place the sole of the right foot in between the left thigh. Interlock the feet in between the left thigh and the left calf. Now move the right knee up, move the left hand in between this space and hold your left big toe. Move it up so that it can get interlocked in between the right thigh and the right calf. Adjust your position. Roll your shoulders back and down. Lengthen your spine. Place the back of the hands on the knees. Join the index finger with the thumb in Jnana Mudra, or you can practice any other mudra. Gently close your eyes and meditate in this posture, the modification of Swastikasana. Now modification 2 is half Swastikasana, which is if you don't want to interlock this right foot which is coming on the top in between this and it is uncomfortable for you to do this. So in this case, the posture becomes slightly easy. So let's practice it. Now I'm practicing this modification 2 on the top of modification 1, that is I am sitting on a top of a blanket as we did earlier in the modification 1. Now bend the left leg, place the sole of the left foot towards the inner side of the right thigh. Now exactly in the same way, bend the right leg and place the sole of the right foot on the top of the left thigh like this. Raise the right knee up, move the left hand in between the space, hold the left foot and move it up so that the left foot can get interlocked in between the right thigh and the right calf. Now this foot can stay over here like this. Roll your shoulders back and down, hands in Gyan Mudra on the knees, and you can meditate over here. This is quite comfortable than previous version of Swastikasana. Slowly when you become more comfortable, you can move into the proper version of Swastikasana. What are the benefits of Swastikasana? The practice of Swastikasana stretches the hips, thighs and groin. Swastikasana helps to improve blood circulation in legs. It is beneficial for people who struggle with poor circulation or varicose vein, aching muscles, fluid retention in legs. Swastikasana helps to reduce anxiety and stress by promoting a sense of stillness and inner peace. It is beneficial for those who suffer from insomnia or other sleep-related issues. When the alignment of the spine is in the neutral position, the energy flow from the lower centers to the crown is enhanced. This helps in relaxing the nervous system. A relaxed nervous system leads to a calm mind, promoting better focus, concentration and heightened awareness. For meditation, it is essential to keep the spinal column in a neutral alignment so that the nervous impulses can pass freely to the brain. Sushumna Nadi, the spiritual energy channel, is located in the spine. So our spine should be erect so that the energy can rise easily to the upper higher centers. If you bend or lean towards the right side, then the Pingala Nadi is suppressed and Ida becomes predominant. Whereas if you lean or bend towards the left side, the Ida Nadi is suppressed and Pingala becomes predominant. So the neutral position of spine is very important. The regular practice of Swastikasana in a correct spinal alignment promotes the free flow of prana through the spinal column in the Sushumna Nadi, thus activating the root center, the Muladhara chakra, and the third eye, the Ajna chakra. The symbol of swastika represents fertility, creativity and auspiciousness. The practice of this asana induces the same capacity in the body. Precautions and contraindications for Swastikasana. Who should not do Swastikasana? Do not practice Swastikasana if you have sciatica or sacral infection. People who have injury in knees, ankle or hips should avoid Swastikasana. Pregnant women should avoid this asana in their final months as it can limit the blood flow in the hips and the pelvic region. As the age keeps on increasing, a lot of people struggle with stiffness, inflammation and pain in joints. The reason could be medical issues, lifestyle choices or nutrition. But many studies shows certain food, spices and herbs helps in joint pain. Yogachaitanya Joint Pain Relief Herbal Tea is based on a unique formula of 11 herbs that are used to control inflammation and joint pain. It contains a perfect combination of natural ingredients that have been carefully selected to ensure quality and efficacy. This tea helps to relieve joint pain, inflammation, boost immunity and improve digestion. Our wellness teas are available at 50% discount and free shipping in India. You can use coupon code YCU25 to get an additional discount of 5%. This discount is limited, so order it now. The link to the joint pain relief herbal tea and coupon code is available in the description tab. It is completely safe and I have tried this asana multiple times. So I highly recommend you to try so that you can feel its amazing benefits. And don't ignore this video because this video will help you learn the correct alignment and easy way of doing Sukhasana, the easy pose, so that you can implement it in your day-to-day life. Thanks for watching this video. Namaste, Sat Shri Akal, take care and I will see you in this video next.